Hey, True Believers, England here. This is part 2 of mine and Gail's day at the hotels. This did us in. We actually talked about this. We end up going to we finished the Grand Floridian, then we go to the Boardwalk, and then we go to the Animal Kingdom, mainly because we went there to get the new giraffe eclair. My mother loves giraffes, so we figured that would be nice. But after we got out of the Animal Kingdom, we were like, wow, we're too old for all of that. We should have just stopped at the Grand Floridian. Anyway, once again, it's very home movie-ish, so I hope you enjoy. Citrico's Dining in Victoria Albert's Restaurant. This is the signature restaurant over here. So let's see.
Oh God, they got truffle fries.
Truffle, well, yeah, we don't like those. Tuna tartare,
pork. Now, see, why does that remind me of England? It does.
Yeah, I think that's the whole point right here. Florida red snapper, though.
Ratatouille.
Take a look. We respectfully request business casual attire, no tank top, swimsuit, cover up hats, generally cut off. Okay, I wonder if they would let us just take a look. I don't even know if they're open for business right now. I think they're dinner only. Okay. And this is Victoria Albert's. This is the big one. This is going to cost you $250 a person.
Are you serious?
Yep. Imperial caviar, ocean-kissed oysters, Galilee Austria caviar.
The chef table?
Yeah, don't lean on that, honey. It's.
Oh.
I think it moved. Okay. Menu, $235 per guest.
Oh my God.
So base, that means if you want anything extra, wild turbos with toasted capers, that's going to cost you $35 extra. So yeah, there you go. And here's something that Galilee Austria caviar with traditional garnishes can cost you $125 for a half ounce. That looks okay. Doesn't look $235.
So this is just check-in and all that stuff. These are like the guest room buildings.
Yeah. I mean, if you look, there's no rooms where we are. Some people don't like hotels like this because
most of the Disney hotels are like that. They have like a hospitality house.
Yeah, if it's raining, then you're stuck in your area while all the restaurants are over here. And some people don't like that. Oh, look at the giant Connect 4. That is really cute for kids here.
But these hotels are so big, they can't do anything else but that. They have to.
We definitely would have to take a tour of the grounds at some point. So, yeah, let's take a walk down. And this is Citrico's we're looking at, which is not a diamond restaurant like Victoria and Albert's, but definitely.
You notice each one of the hotels has its own smell?
Yeah, yeah.
This has more of a flowery smell. The Polynesian had kind of a woodsy, cinnamony smell.
I'm pretty sure they pump that out, so it's part of the immersion. Kind of funny is when I first got my annual pass, I went on the People Mover, and when it went through Space Mountain, the odor, the smell, made me feel like I was at Disney. Like that was so familiar to me. You know, like the little antique Ferris wheel. They should put that in the lobby. A huge one. Regular size. All right, let's step in the elevator.
Mm-hmm. Now they're all grand. Yes!
I can see that. And this is the convenience store. Every hotel has its own convenience store, and this is where everything is. Oh, that is cute. The Cinderella plates. Nice. And you got gift wrapping. And Fireball whiskey. We are in the Boardwalk Hotel. Look at this. Very nice. I like the carousel. Always have.
What happened?
Look like the Moulin Rouge. That is cool. And the freakiest chairs in the world. Look at this. Holy Toledo. One of us! One of us! It's real fire. That's really cool. We're going to take a walk on the boardwalk.
Stains on the poor couch.
And stains on the couch. Cool. All right, I mean, this is a really cool hotel so far. We've been walking around. They got complimentary water, that was cool. But something I gotta say, found another one. This is Cat in the Bag. These are the machines that were in the arcade at Magic Kingdom during the 70s. Let's see if this one works. Doesn't seem like it's working as well this time. Nope, I'm afraid this one doesn't work, guys. Oh well. Oh well, not this time. Too bad. I don't think anybody's in the hurry to repair that either. Alright, we're going into the Screen Door General Store here on the boardwalk. Let's check to see. Oh, it's a general store. It's a convenience store with a big old cookie. And another cool cupcake, yep. This one is, it just says gourmet cupcake. It doesn't have a flavor to it. How to make a fat man sing. Give him a cool cupcake. So what flavors are these gourmet cupcakes?
Mellow chocolate.
Red velvet.
Okie dokie. Cool. Oh. Bom, 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 bom. General store has general store stuff. Who'd thunk it? Return trip to the Animal Kingdom Lodge. Jamba House. Alrighty. It's not copyright material, is it? I can put it on YouTube without getting a strike, I hope.
Megan, welcome home. How are you doing?
Peachy Keen, how are you doing?
Fantastic. Thank you so much.
Yes. You are the young lady. We talked to you yesterday. You look very familiar.
Tyler Perry show on Sunday.
Oh, yes.
That's
and
it.
you were right
This young.
about the ticket.
This sold out?
No.
Very, what's she gonna do?
Yeah. I was like, okay. He was right.
Greg, there's a bonus in her future. She could go see Tyler Perry, right? Right? Huh? Maybe? I don't know. I'm on your side there.
It's like 100.
Carol Burnett is coming to the Dr. Fuller.
Oh, that would be awesome. That would be awesome. That's one I would pay the $100 for. I know she's like 80 now, but...
She still looks like Carol Burnett.
Oh, of course.
You look at her and go, it's Carol Burnett.
All right. Are we going to go down to the plane and go over, or are we going to go out the way? Let's go down that way, because we didn't go. We might not make it over there.
See this yesterday.
Oh, a little seal on the floor. A baby monkey riding the mama.
Yeah, you'll see. Yeah, I'll see you tonight.
Awesome.
I'm back in this one.
You know what? That just says that they're all good. If you, it's basically your favorite is the one you're in, and that is awesome. That was really cool. Hold on, Gil. So what do you have here, Lolly?
How are you guys doing?
Hmm?
No, this is our African cats. So we talk about our different cats that we have.
Oh,
Yeah. So it's a game.
really?
Yeah. I'm gonna give you like 3 cards, and you're gonna tell me which one is which.
Oh, okay. Hey, Gailey, come on over. Gailey, seriously, come on over. Nobody's gonna bite you over here. It's okay. Come on over real quick. So this is what you get for being married 25 years?
25 years.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, hold on. Okay, so she gave me this game. I've got to match the cards with the, isn't this the same cat?
They're different cats.
They're different
You need
cats.
to give me their names, and you have to place them to really even.
Well, I know this is a lion. I don't know the scientific name, but just based on the size.
I just know it is a lion as well.
Put it here. Judging by the, oh, this would be the cheetah, and this would be the leopard.
Okay, that's good.
Am I right?
I'll give you these ones as well.
Oh, okay. Well, I know a leopard, of course, is all about the spots, because the whole thing is, you know, the leopard changing its spots, and the cheetah, but both of these kind of have spots. So let's get this done right away. And I would have to go this way.
Do you think it's correct?
What do you
No.
think?
No, I think that goes there.
You think it goes there? Well, she is smarter
Yeah.
than I am, so.
You see what the cheetah and the leopard. Look at the spots. The leopard ones look like they have roses. So these are called rosettes. And the
Okay.
cheetah is just normal spots.
Dots.
And so you were right.
Yeah.
She is smarter than I am. Oh, that is really cool. That was really neat. But I knew the cheetah because the skull. That is
Yeah,
obviously a
it's
smaller skull.
Yeah, you were correct
Judging
with the
by
other
that.
two. Like, the fur was the tricky one. Actually.
Yeah, that is, because they're very close to it. That's really neat. And kids actually can come up and play and learn and all that. That is really cool. See, I like this. I like this one. We're arguing like what's the better resort because we're just kind of hopping hotels today.
Go downstairs. Go downstairs.
Yeah.
And this is the best resort ever.
I think so. I think so. The Polynesian doesn't have a giraffe.
Yeah, really.
That
He's
is
out
kinda
there. It's not as close as he was yesterday.
fun. Well, we're going to tomorrow. Let's take a walk. Oh, I don't know if we can get there from here. Bum bum. Are you hearing drumming? Zoink. Cool. I love you, Gary.
He's out, where'd he go? Oh, he's way out there. I see him now. Trees.
Oh yeah, all the way out, yeah. We got some birdies right in front of us.
There he is.
Let's see if we can't zoom in. Zoink. Hello there, antelope of some sorts.
Yeah, they were in the same spot yesterday.
Maybe they're fake. And right over here is the giraffe behind the trees. Where is he? There he is.
Walking.
Oh, there's one just standing over there too. And then there's another deer or something standing by the tree. Yeah, and that is why this is an expensive hotel, because they've got a Serengeti right outside their rooms. Imagine you bring your...
Cool.
If I had little kids and I brought them here, I wouldn't tell them. I wouldn't let them know. So when we woke up, I would just like open the window and they'd be like, oh my gosh, look at the animals. You
See,
know?
we gotta get rich before the grandkids start.
There you go. That's the plan. There you go. Yep. We need to get rich, ladies and gentlemen. Help us out on that. Go on over to Patreon or to Ko-Fi. Drop $1 in the till. There you go, gang. Another home video. Here's what I think the difference is. If I were to do an actual tour, I would be pointing at different things. I would make sure that the camera is on and off, so I come up on a certain thing at a certain time. I'm talking to the viewer more than I am talking to Gail. This is very much, I just fell in love with being out at the hotels with my wife, and we were just having a fun time. I tried to mix it up a little bit, but I think really this is home version. This is the home video version. But let me know what you think in the comments. Should I just junk this kind of footage, or do you want to see more? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to click like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. If you do like this video, consider hitting one of the video cards that are popping up right around here. Anyway, thank you very much for watching.